Pakistan and China enjoy close and friendly relations since years. These bilateral relationships between the two neighboring countries have grown over the past few decades. One of the recent developments in terms of research collaboration in the field of healthcare system between the two countries is the Phase 3 clinical trials of a Chinese COVID-19 vaccine. This trial is a global multi-center trial sponsored by CanSino Biologics, in which Pakistan, Chile, Argentina, Mexico, and Russia are the participating countries. Among them, Pakistan was the first country who not only welcomed its closest friend's proposal, but initiated trials in no time after getting approval from its drug regulatory authority. The trial in Pakistan started on September 22, 2020. It is the first ever trial of its own kind and a big achievement for Pakistan. Total 40,000 volunteers are to be enrolled in participating countries for this global Phase 3 clinical trial, out of which Pakistan has a major share of 18,000 volunteers, which is almost 50% of the overall enrollment. Pakistan would be the first country to complete its enrollment target well before the deadline, considering the urgency of COVID-19 vaccine availability. 16,747 volunteers have been vaccinated till 12th January 2021. A Chinese company, CanSino Biologics, with Beijing Institute of Biotechnology, has developed recombinant novel coronavirus vaccine adenovirus type 5 vector. Globally, CanSino is the main sponsor of this Phase 3 clinical trial. Global monitoring is also being done by Chinese contract research organization TigerMed. National Institute of Health, Pakistan is the country principal investigator of this trial and conducting this study in 5 different research centers of Pakistan, including Shifa International Hospital, Islamabad, Aga Khan University Hospital, Karachi, the Indus Hospital, Karachi, Shaukat Khanum Hospital, Lahore, and University of Health Sciences, Lahore. People are volunteering themselves not only for their nation but for the whole humanity.
यहाँ पे रोज़ाना कई लोग मर्द और ख़वातीन आ रहे हैं और अपने आप को एनरोल कर रहे हैं एज वॉलंटियर इस क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में।
मैं रज़ा कराना तौर पे इसकी वैक्सीन लगवाई। आज मुझे 5 दिन हो गए हैं, लेकिन अभी तक मुझे कोई साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स कोई सामने नज़र नहीं आए। मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ।
I would encourage everybody to take part in this clinical trial to help fight this pandemic.
All this collaboration paved its way to Pakistan with the efforts of Executive Director NIH, Major General Dr. Amir Ikram.
Well, this is a great opportunity to talk about our relations with China and particularly with context of vaccine development. We take this pride that we have been very closely working with different Chinese companies, and we conducted the first ever Phase 3 trial for any vaccine, that for CanSino Bio. And as we move on with a huge target of 18,000, we are almost nearing completion, and we do expect to come up with a very formidable result at the end of the day. And this talks volumes about our friendship and very long friendship with China. And as we move on, we see to the other companies like Sinopharm as well, which allowed our team to join the trials at United Arab Emirates. With all that background, this trial, I'm sure, will be another feather in the crown for our friendship between Pakistan and China.
The trial will lead Pakistan to get a phase-wise transfer of technology. This will put Pakistan in the list of priority countries to get the vaccine and would enhance the strong bilateral relationships between China and Pakistan.